I'm doing good. How are you? Yeah.
Okay,
Hello,
so
Keisha.
Hi.
How you doing?
good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Today, we will be working on introductions. Miss Alicia will be doing the lesson. So we're going to give Miss Alicia our undivided attention. If you have any questions, we're going to go ahead and ask them once I unmute you guys. So just
Okay.
give me a thumbs up if you're all good. All right.
Okay, everybody's ready?
Ready. Yep.
Okay. So today our worksheets were on introductions, right? Now, introductions, there can be two different kinds of introductions. There can be introductions in a professional field, like at work, or if you're going for an interview, which our GROW team knows, right? We've been going over our introductions in class. Does everybody remember our introductions? Give a thumbs up. Have you practiced your introductions? Okay. Some people might have forgotten. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over one of the worksheets, which is the one that says hello, goodbye. It was worksheet number 3. And after we go over that worksheet, I'm going to call on some of you GROW people to see if you remember your introductions and if you've been working on them. Okay? Thumbs up for everybody. I don't know what happened to my screen. Okay, there's the first worksheet. Hello, goodbye. So I'm going to we're going to do number 1. And Ashley, how do I get rid of this? Oh, there's everybody. Okay.
Sorry,
Trying
I'm
to-
opening the screens.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I can see everybody so they can raise their hand, but
I'm opening the screens right now. There you go.
all right. Okay, so number 1, on the top right corner, if you look at it, what is it showing? What do you think the answer is? The answers are all in the box, right underneath the big words that say hello, goodbye. So number 1 is 2 people looking at each other with the sun behind them. So what do you think goes in that box? Anybody?
The first one, that's saying good morning. Good morning.
Very good, Thomas. Good morning. You can tell because there's a sun behind them, right?
Good morning.
And they're greeting each other. So you would say good morning.
You can write good morning.
So you can write down number 1's answer is good morning.
Nice.
Okay, everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we're gonna go to number 2. The 2 girls standing near the fence. One girl says, how are you? What would your response be?
Hi.
If someone says, how are you? Look at the answers in the box.
Hi. Oh, hi.
Anybody?
Millie, hi.
Someone says, how are you? What do you say, Carrie?
Maybe? I don't know.
Maybe. Good. Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nope. They're saying, how are you? How are you, Carrie?
Oh, how are you guys? How are you? Let's say that. Let me look at the little.
Look in the middle of the box.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
So if someone asks, how are you doing? And what is your response back?
Well, good.
Don't even look at the answers. If I tell you, how are you doing, Carrie? What do you say?
Fine, thank you.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Very
Oh.
good.
So that's number 2.
Yeah.
Everybody can write down the answer for number 2.
Look.
Fine, thank you for number 2.
Thank you.
Okay. Now number 3,
Oh, that's teeth.
it shows a little boy handing flowers to a woman. What should she say to that little boy? Ashley?
You're really.
I'm clueless.
If somebody gave you some flowers, what would you say?
Thank you.
Thank
Very
you.
good.
Very
Good job.
good. Good job.
So number 3 is thank you.
Very good. Silly.
DJ's silly.
Hey,
Okay,
I'm
everybody
not
wrote
silly.
thank you for number 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, so number 4. It's 2 girls sitting at a table and one's handing one a cupcake and she says, would you like one? What should her response be?
You're a.
Yes, please.
How about Roger? If someone's giving you something and you say, and they say, would you like one? What would you say back?
Thank
I know there's
you.
one,
Yep, somebody said it.
but.
That's me.
Would you like one? What was the answer?
Thank you.
I think Gabe said it earlier.
Go
Thank
ahead,
you.
Gabe.
Kircha said it.
Yes, please.
Very
Yep.
good. Yes.
Oh.
please.
Yeah.
You got it.
Very good. So you wouldn't say thank you because she's offering it to you. She didn't give it to you yet.
Okay.
She said,
Oh,
would
okay.
you like one? So you say yes, please.
Oh,
Right?
okay. Yeah.
Okay. So now that answer was yes, please, for number 4. So we're gonna go to number 5. It's just a single person. She's walking, but she's waving. So what do you think she would say?
Hi.
Very
My favorite
good.
word.
Yeah.
Hi.
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 Okay.
So number 5 is hi.
Howdy.
Ready, partner?
Everybody got number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, number 6. It's a woman and a man, and they're shaking hands, and he says, nice to meet you. What should she say back?
I guess it, Miss Alicia. Nice to meet you too.
Very good, Thomas. Nice
Good
to meet
job.
you too.
Good job. Good, buddy.
Okay, does everybody got it?
Yeah, hold on. I almost
Okay,
got
it's okay. You can take your time. Let me know when you're done.
Does it start with an M?
Starts with an
Ni-
N.
It's nice to meet you. So it's just same thing that the guy is saying. It just ends with 2. Let
Look
me
at
know
my
when you got
screen,
it.
Ashley.
I am looking at your screen.
Okay.
What are you looking
In-
for?
And in the box, it's next to the girl with the black hair at the top. And it starts with nice. N. Oh. Now I get it.
There
Yep.
you
You
go.
got it?
No.
I
Thank
got
you,
it.
Kate.
I don't know, we didn't get there yet.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna do number 7.
Okay.
So it's a guy standing at his door, but it looks like he's telling them to come in. So what do you think he's saying? Let's see, who do we not get? How about Robert?
You're welcome.
Nope, he's not. Nobody's standing there yet. So he's telling somebody to come in pretty much,
Oh.
right?
Yeah, say like come in. Say like I mean like you can say like
So this
who's
one's this one's a little tricky because the answer is you're welcome.
Oh.
But he's not saying you're welcome because he got a gift. He's saying you're welcome, like you're welcome to come into my house.
Yeah. Oh.
I think Kate and I were
It
both
was-
like,
It was tricky. That one was tricky. That was to trick you.
Yeah.
But that one's you're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. So number 8. Who would like to do number 8?
raise your hand. Who would like to do number 8? Number 8 is the guy looking like that.
It's the little boy with the broken glass behind him is number 8.
Oh, I see it.
You think
He's sad.
So CJ, what do
Yes,
you
Dad.
think that little boy is saying? He just broke something. What do you think he was saying?
he said, he broke it.
But what would he say? If he feels bad because he broke something, what would you say?
He said,
But what would you say if you broke someone's thing?
oh, you say you're sorry.
Very good. Thank you, Kim.
Say you're
You
sorry.
just dropped.
Yeah.
Good job,
Sorry.
CJ. You would say,
Good job, CJ. You'd say sorry.
I got my on you. See you.
It's an accident, but you know, if you broke someone's stuff, you should say you're sorry.
That's right.
Okay.
Where does it say sorry at?
Sorry is SORRY.
SORRY. Well, thank you.
No problem, Ashley. So now number 9,
Mm-hmm.
2 girls sitting on the couch,
Mm-hmm.
and one girl says to the other, "How do you do?"
Mm-hmm.
What do you say?
Jason, what would you say back?
Say, that's right. Say it louder to her so she can hear you.
My name is.
That, no. You have it.
Fine, thank you. Very good, Jason. So you want to let them know that you're fine, but you also want to say thank you because they asked, because they care about how you're doing, right?
Thank you.
this also goes with the lesson that we did this week with manners.
Yesterday, right?
Yeah.
All of it. Introductions are about being polite. So this all has to do with manners. You want to say please, thank you, good morning, good night.
How do you do?
How do you do?
So it all goes with manners. Very good, Ashley.
What was the answer?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so now we're on number 10.
Right.
Number 10 is a mom and daughter, and she's tucking in her little girl.
Good
A little
night.
boy. I can't really see the face. Might be a boy.
Girl.
If you're getting tucked in,
Good night.
very good, Carrie. Good night.
You said that good night.
Has everybody got good night for number 10?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Good. All right, last one. The picture is a farmer, and there's 2 little kids leaving the farm, and he's waving. What is he saying?
I know the answer, Alicia.
Go ahead, Thomas.
Goodbye.
Very good.
That was
It's actually good night. I don't know. Oh no, it's goodbye. You're right. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Very good. Okay, so we're done with that worksheet.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
good.
Very, very good. So now, let's see. Who from Grow wants to do their Grow introduction? So you can show everybody else how we do it in Grow. Ashley? Okay, now wait, before you do it, anybody who's not in Grow, pay attention to Ashley because this is how we would do professional introductions. If you're going for an interview, if you meet somebody that you want a job from, this would be the introduction that Ashley would give. Right, Ashley?
Right.
Go ahead.
My name is Ashley Carlin. I've been there for 3 years.
You've been where?
Aspire.
Right, you work at Inspire.
And what I'm learning is reading, math, and sometimes a bit of both. And I like to work at the cafe or wherever I need to go.
Very good. And nice to meet you. You can end it with nice to meet you.
Nice
Right?
to meet you.
Me too.
Good job, Ashley.
You're welcome.
Woohoo.
How about Miss Kircha? See if you remember your introduction.
Good afternoon. My name is Kirsha Tessino, and I work at Inspire for 1 year. And I'm learning math. I'm learning learning math and learning
What do you like most about Inspire or the Grow team?
I like going to the cafe.
Very good.
Yeah,
Very good. So guys been practicing. You're doing a good job.
thanks.
Anybody else want to do their intro?
Mm-mm.
Yes,
Come on.
go do it, Carrie.
Don't be quiet. I had
Oh,
it
Lord.
you.
Come on, Carrie.
Carrie.
Miss Alicia, Jason wants to do it. Is that
Oh,
okay?
yeah. He's next. He's next.
All right.
Good afternoon. My name is Carrie Hitz. I've been at Inspire for 19 years at Inspire, and I like to work in the wood shop.
Woo!
Very good. Woo, it's almost time for Carrie to retire.
Good job, Carrie.
It's time for me to go work at Publix where they can get a vaccine for this coronavirus.
It's time for a new change, new venture.
Right.
Yep.
So we got to keep practicing that intro then, Carrie.
Good job, Carrie.
I have.
I know Miss Kate's been helping you. So let's
Yes.
see what Jason got for me.
Ooh.
All right.
Jason, are you ready?
Good afternoon. My name is Jason. I've been through the Grow program for 2 years. Going to the cafe.
Very good, Jason. You've been practicing because I think that's the best intro I've ever heard you do. So when we're in Grow, we talk about what's important when doing your introductions. Can someone tell me what's important when giving an introduction?
Yeah.
Ashley?
Eye contact.
Eye contact. Very
Eye
good.
contact.
Keep your eyes open.
Listen.
How about Gabe? Do you know another thing that's very good that you should do with giving your introduction?
Yes.
Good.
Speaking clearly.
Very good. Speak clearly.
Good
I
job.
know we're not really doing handshakes now, but when it's okay, a handshake is all right.
Hmm?
Yes,
But very good.
Yeah.
very good.
Mhm.
Very good.
Yes.
There's also other worksheets that you guys have gotten.
Yeah.
I don't know if did anybody get a chance to complete them all, or are we doing them all together?
Well, I got this one halfway done, and this one's done, and I have no idea about this one.
Well, it's okay as long as you're working.
Well, let's work on this one.
Will you put it on the screen?
Yes,
Okay.
we can do this one together.
Okay. Yeah.
Is
Sure.
that okay with you, Alicia?
Introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think somebody who's not in Grow should maybe introduce yourself. How about
Thank you.
Thomas.
Thomas?
Yeah.
Would you like to do the introduce yourself worksheet with me?
I don't see my picture yet.
I'm
Thomas Morley. My birthday is 8/25/92. I am 27 years old.
Wow.
Okay, so sit up and look at me, Thomas.
Yeah.
I just want you to make sure you're speaking clearly so I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, so now you can do it again. Your
Okay.
name, you
Thomas
say
Morley. My name
good
is Thomas.
afternoon. Listen, good
My-
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your name is,
Thomas Morley.
okay, your birthday.
8/25/92.
Okay, keep reading.
I am 27 years old.
Okay, what's next?
My favorite. Color, yellow.
Yep,
And sport, football, and basketball. Song,
Okay.
Fireflies. And holiday is, my favorite holiday is Labor Day.
really? Nice. I didn't know that about you. See, now I know. That's why introductions are important. What about animal? Do you have a favorite animal?
Dog.
Okay, how about a TV show? It's okay if you don't have a favorite. Not everybody watches TV.
He said SpongeBob.
Oh, I
that's
love
one of my favorites.
SpongeBob.
I love SpongeBob.
Me too.
Three.
And the last one, Thomas?
Pizza.
Your favorite food is pizza. I think that's a lot of people's
Oh.
favorite food.
I love pizza too.
Okay, so now go to the other side and it says, I am happiest when. What makes you the most happy?
When I stay at Inspire all day.
That was a good one, Thomas.
That was so cute.
That was a good one, Thomas. I agree. So what? The last one is what makes you proud?
All right, guys, all right, we gotta let Alicia
Let
talk. We
Thomas,
gotta give her-
let Thomas stop. Thomas, what makes you proud?
When I'm a hard worker on the production floor.
Why does that make you proud?
That's because I do really good.
Very good.
Job. You did
That was
Good job,
awesome.
Thomas.
That was awesome. All right, we'll let one more
Very
person do the worksheet
I want to
with
hear
you.
Miss Kit's introduction.
Miss who?
Oh my goodness. Using this paper? Okay. Hello, my name is Kate Jones. My birthday is February 19th. Somehow I'm having a weird
It's
noise on
naturally
my
she's
phone.
frozen.
Oh. It sounds like a slow motion. Do you guys hear that?
Yeah.
I can hear it.
That's so
I don't-
weird.
I don't know what it is.
I'm sorry, I don't know what it
That
is
is
either.
Really glad you guys hear it too.
I do hear it. Okay.
Okay, stop.
Song.
Hit Me With Your Best Shot by Pat Benatar.
Woo!
Woohoo.
Your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Your favorite animal?
Cat.
Taco.
Cats.
Your favorite TV show?
Oh my goodness. Law and Order lately.
Your
Rerun.
favorite, wait, this one's a good one. Your favorite food?
Oh my gosh. Fresh fruit salad with whipped
Nice.
cream on top. And skinny crushed nuts with it. Okay.
Okay. And your happiest when?
Eating my favorite food.
I was just gonna say when food.
I'm happiest when I'm
Very
out in
good.
nature. No, that wasn't my real answer. I'm
Okay.
happiest when I'm out in nature, especially like the mountains or near water. Okay.
Okay. And what are you most proud of and why?
My daughter, because she's an amazing human who's gonna make the world better in lots of little ways and already has.
Very nice. Well, I don't know about you guys, but this was an awesome Zoom. Do we have anything else we want to focus on while we're here?
Does anybody have any questions, concerns?
Any, no? Any questions about any of the worksheets?
So you guys can practice this one by yourselves, writing the hello, good morning, good night, good afternoon. Because like Alicia said, it's very polite to say these things when you come into a room or when you're leaving. So you guys can practice this one on your own, spelling it out.
Yeah, I can spell it like kind of like that.
And another thing, guys, it's
Yeah.
very important when you're doing introductions, and it also goes along with yesterday's lesson, which is manners. When someone else is introducing themselves, you should what?
Yeah.
Be quiet.
Be quiet and listen, right?
Oh yeah.
You don't want to interrupt them because they're telling you about themselves.
Right.
Right.
So we all have to be respectful and let everybody say their introductions before you speak.
Right.
That's right.
That's right.
Right.
Love it too.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that was awesome. It was great seeing everybody.
Oh,
You
good.
too.
Great seeing you
Thank
too.
you.
See you too.
And I will see you